Snow's still going to be coming down through the rest of our Monday and a little bit into our Tuesday morning, but these snowfalls are what you can expect later on into the evening. So this is what we're going to end up with, likely along the Lake Superior shoreline from the Porkies up into the Keweenaw Peninsula, about 10 to 14 inches. Lesser amounts as you get a little further inland. Then for the eastern part of the Upper Peninsula, you can see into Pictured Rocks there. We're looking at 10 to 14 as well. Likewise up by Whitefish Point, and then the typical snow belts in northern lower, looking at about 6 to 10 inches with lesser amounts the further off to the east you go. And same thing all down the west side of the state. And that's where we have numerous travel issues right now. Of course, we have 196 shut down because of the 100-car pile up there, 131 shut down at times as well. So just don't travel if you don't need to, and that's what the authorities are asking for as well. Some of the snowfall reports I've gotten in the Upper Peninsula, you can see are about up to 8 inches for the Keweenaw, lesser amounts elsewhere, but it's a really fluffy snow, so it's blowing around in the wind, creating low visibilities. M28 is also closed in the Upper Peninsula for what has been a perpetual whiteout now for a couple of hours. So lots and lots of snowfall coming on down. Now here's how things look over the next couple of hours. This starts at 5 o'clock into the evening. We have those lake effect snow bands coming on by, and again, some of them all the way over to the east side of the state. Into 9 and 10 o'clock here, things wind down just a little bit, but we could still have a couple of those light snow bands traveling over to the east side as well. As we go right into your Tuesday morning, we're still going to have just a couple light bands of lake effect out there, heavier amounts up in the Upper Peninsula. But remember, when temperatures are too cold for salt to be effective, it just takes a little bit to cause really big slowdown. So it's just not going to be a great day to travel again. Notice later into the day Tuesdays when the lake effect finally wraps up for everyone but the Keweenaw, and then the Clipper system comes through overnight into Wednesday morning, creating some more bad travel conditions for us. I'll have more updates for you throughout the day.